Now, it may shock you to know that red meat includes pork as well as beef, but you're never going to miss it this holiday season with this sublimely tasty, easy festive turkey dish. It's a great alternative to stuffed pork loin and perfect for celebrating with family or friends for any special occasion. All we have to do is butterfly a whole boneless turkey breast. Stuff it and roll it. Sounds complicated, but actually it is super easy. I'm going to start off with some shallots. Cut the ends off and cut them in half down the middle. Shallots are great. They're kind of the love child of onions and garlic. Thinly slicing the shallots this way will help them caramelize better. We want them to be sweet. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of salt in here. The salt will help pull the moisture out of the shallots. These are going to caramelize, so it's going to take about 5 minutes. Actually, shallots are much quicker than onions to caramelize because they've got more sugar in them. They're just starting to turn. They're just going golden around the edges. If I leave them too much longer, some of those are going to go black, and I don't want that because it'll make them bitter. I'm turning the heat off now. Now it's time to add in the fruit. Chopped prunes, some golden raisins, chopped apricots. I'm going to mix those in a little bit. Ground cinnamon and clove. Oh, the smell of it is just divine. Last but not least, chopped pecans. I'm going to leave this to sit here. Here we have our whole turkey breast, and you can see it's already got this little bit piece here which is like the loin. Just cut through. Not all the way through, I have to be careful. And then just open it up. So that is it. How much easier could that be? Sprinkle a little bit of salt on here and a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to put the stuffing on. Okay, now I'm just going to start rolling this up. Okay, now I'm going to scoot some twine underneath there to tie it up. We're going to only put about 3 pieces of string on here. As you can see, how easy was that? I'm going to put a little bit more oil in here and put the turkey breast, the seam side down, because I want the seam to actually knit together while it cooks. And now I'm going to put a little bit more of olive oil on top. So this is almost ready to put in. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more salt on the top, and now it's ready for the oven. I'm so excited. It's going to cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the oven down to 350 to cook it slower. Then in 15 to 20 minutes, it's going to be done. That looks so gorgeous. Now I just want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Perfect. It's 165, which is what it should be. It's rested for about 10 minutes just to let all the juices settle. I'm going to remove the twine and just start slicing it into some good thick slices. Oh, look at that. This smells so great right now. This will serve 4 people. So it's perfect for a small family celebration when you don't have the cast of thousands over. Oh my God, I'd forgotten how good this was. Happy holidays, everyone.